again, this is Melissa and welcome to another vlog. For today's episode, guys, I'm going to give you a Subic tour or a Subic vlog. I'm going to give you a room tour and I'm going to show you the views that we have here. By the way, guys, we are in Barrio Barreto, Subic, Zambales today. So we are going to stay here for 6 days. And I want to share with you guys yung views or amenities ng hotel kasi maganda siya. So sana magustuhan nyo. And of course, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell button down below so that you will get notified every time I post a new video. Actually, okay guys, so we are on the first floor right now. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. And so this is the lobby of the hotel. There, and this is our room 101. So we're going inside now. Yan. Ito ang aming room, guys. So, andito yung aking friend, si Bernadette. So, meron silang vault. Ayan. Kung meron kayong mga importanteng gamit, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Meron din silang yan, dresser nila. Hangers. Then, this is the CR. And guys, so ito yung parang vanity area nila dito or lavatory nila. So, as you can see guys, this circle, censored yan. If you're going to touch it, oh, ba't wala? Ayan, ba't wala eh? Ay, ayaw. Ayun guys. Ayan, so, ay, ba't ganun? Hindi siya basta nagla-light yan, guys. Ay, oo, parang naglolo ko. Basta, ayan guys, pag tinouch mo to, magla-light siya. So, yung mga lightings nila dito, or dito lang siguro sa area nito, sa CR nila is censored yung light. Tapos, ayan, meron silang, pero ito guys, hindi siya libre. Ayan yung mga presyo nila. Here, yun lang. Kasi may mga gamit na dito sa gilid-gilid guys. So, ayoko na ipakita yan. Ito rin yung kanilang bowl. And their shower. So, that's basically it guys. Hindi ganun kalaki yung CR nila, pero maganda naman. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa labas ulit. Papakita ko sa inyo yung bed namin. Ito yung bed. Guys, queen size to rin, no? Yes. Oh, it's queen size bed. So, ayan yung kanilang yung telephone. And ito. And meron din silang ganito, parang swivel chair. They also have fridge. Yan yung laman ng fridge nila, guys. Yun. And meron din silang balkonahe. Yan lang naman yung view nila. So, andun na yung beach. So, this is the lobby, guys. Ayan. Meron silang mga high, like, chairs dito. It's not a high chair. It's more like a sexy chair. Yan ba ang tawag? And meron din silang mga palamuti sa kanilang wall. And aside from that, they also have this one. God. And meron din silang couch. Looks like this. And their front desk. Ito yung CR nila, guys. Ayan. Lakas makasyala. Sa director's CR tayo. May pa-flower si Mayor. Director's restroom. Director's restroom. Yun lang naman. So, meron silang 3 cubicle. Where the director rest. Meron silang ayan, mga palamuti. That's it. So, restaurant din to siya, guys. Kaso close siya ngayon kasi it's under renovation. But this is how it looks like. This is so beautiful. Para kang nasa ibang bansa. Look at the pool area. There. So, andun yung bar nila. Tingnan nyo yung pool, guys. So, it's also facing the ocean. So, napakaganda. And they also have cabanas here. Pero hindi rin siya pwedeng occupy as of now. Kasi nililinis daw nila. Ayan. This is their private cabana. And meron siyang fee for 6 person. I don't know paano yan. Basta yan siya. Tingnan nyo na lang. Ganyan. And for me, this is the best part. So, super ganda. This is highly recommended kung pupunta kayo dito sa lugar na to. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Lalong-lalo na if it's early in the morning. Super. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the lobby. So, pupuntahan ko na po ang aking madam. Ayan po siya, naka-green. Nag-picture siya ngayon, guys. Ito kami sa cabana. Ayan.
Cabana 1, cabana 2, cabana 3.
Kabanatuan. Ang ganda. Super ganda. Yes, guys, yes. So, this is their diner, guys. As you can see, it's very Instagrammable. Meron silang parang mga 1950s or retro na theme. Yan. And meron silang vintage car. Kung vintage man ang tawag dito. So cute. And ito yung friend ko. Yes. Ito yung rooftop nila, guys. As you can see, there's an infinity pool facing the beach or the ocean. So, look at how beautiful it is, guys. Oh my God! So, kung magagawi kayo dito sa Olonga po guys, make sure i-visit nyo to. I'm vlogging. Look how beautiful the ocean is. This is their diner. This is their beach, guys. Time is 8 a.m. Look how peaceful it is. Yan yung hotel. Yan. So, may mga bundok dun. Ang ganda! Taran, tan, 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 tan. Yes! Tala, Dre, tala. Si happy hour. Nasa Mang Inasal kami ngayon, guys. May petso si Mayor. Ito nga pala si Mayor ng Subic. Pareho kami ng order. Ayan. You know? So, yun. Andito kami ngayon sa Subic, guys. Sa Mang Inasal. Okay guys, so that was my Subic vlog. I'm sorry guys. Simula nung bumiyahe kami, hindi na talaga maganda yung pakiramdam ko. Sana hindi na to magtuloy-tuloy papuntang Baguio. Sobrang sakit ng lalamunan ko. Parang ang hapdi ng mata ko, yung ilong ko parang sisipunin na, inuubo na rin ako guys. So hindi ako makakain ng maayos. Nakakatulog naman pero paputol-putol. So, ayun guys, I hope sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Give it a thumbs up kung nag-enjoy kayo. And of course, leave your comments down below. I would love to read those. And always remember, wherever you are in the world, please be good guys. No hate and always appreciate. Once again, this is Melissa and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye-bye!